Denali. What are you doing?
Bro, MW2 in the back of the Denali with, of course, the white monster. That's period correct right there. All right, let's see how I do, Ben. I haven't played this game in a hot minute. Oh, we're getting him. We're getting him, Ben. Switching my weapons. All right, here we go, Ben. Veteran status right here. I need my noob tubes. Ben, I'm cheeks, bro. Oh my God, oh my God. Here, you ready? Well, we got 2 stars. I suck, man. Whatever. Anyway, what other vehicle can you do this in? This is sick. Playing video games, drinking Monster, in the shop, in the back of our giveaway Denali. All right, Ben, here we go. New Monster now. This is the Ultra Paradise. Green apple tastes like. Fantastic. You guys seeing that? One of my favorites for sure. This is the meat and potatoes, boys and girls. Blazer, Chevy Blazer, 2-door, 1994, year I was born. It's seen better days. This was Mike's little project back in the day, very sentimental. It's got a lot wrong with it. New headlights it's gonna need, the grill is busted. It was baking down in the North Carolina sun. That's why the mirrors are faded. This is a new antenna that Mike put on and it's destroyed.
Get a look at that.
Totally sun faded.
Oh yeah, that thing's gone.
Yeah, it was like sitting under a tree somewhere, I guess. This served on the military base Fort Bragg. We went over this already, but you know what? I love stuff like this. Mike right now is a little down and out. As you guys know, he had surgery. So we're gonna have a little bit of fun. I would like to not restore it this video, but we're gonna try and do our best just to get it a little shined up and ready to go. You ready, Ben? Let's do it. First big sort of remediation we're gonna do is how dirty is this frame? We got a new little gadget here that magnetizes right to the frame and it's supposed to like pressure wash all the dirt out. So we're gonna squirt some of this special juice in here. I don't know, it's probably, oh yeah, all right, that's probably enough. I have no clue what I'm doing, but I think this will work. And what did you say for soap, Ben? I gotta go like this way?
Turn it to the side that says, I don't know, soap.
All right, so this is a lot of soap. We're gonna have a lot of soap in here, boys and girls. All right, that's on. It's just gonna spray me. All right, so this is how this works, supposedly. It just slaps right on there, should magnetize. Oh yeah, that's on there.
Ooh.
All right,
Okay.
it's spraying. Oh, okay, that's gross. That's got some mud in there. Oh my, dude, look at the chunks of dirt. That is, and that's only like, so you can move this throughout the frame.
Yeah.
So good for whenever you have like salt or anything like that. Like, I'm gonna pop this out, Ben. I might get a little wet. We'll see.
No, oh, yeah, okay, we're moving it, yeah.
So the way that these frames work is they're sort of like a U shape. They're not totally enclosed, which actually makes it easier to clean out. But if I were to go on, say, something like the Suburban over there, where it's just a closed frame, that's whenever like the nooks and crannies are really hard to clean. But look at all of this. I'm gonna shut this off quick here, Ben. That's the detergent cycling through there. That is a lot of dirt. My God, that's just been sitting in there. Maybe a little bit of rust, but I imagine mostly just chunks of that North Carolina and Roush Creek dirt, been sitting for years. So this is something you probably wanna do twice a year, especially after like the salty season, but we're gonna do both sides here, get it all flushed out. This is like, you're supposed to use like a special mixer that neutralizes salt, but this is step 1, easy enough to get rid of all the grossness, and it kind of smells, Ben, so I think that might be part of our problem. Stinks bad. Anyway, step 1, let's move on. We're gonna try and remediate these wheels with some wheel cleaner here. These are like the worst I've ever seen. Almost think that we have like a seized brake or something because these are atrocious. So let's give this a shot. Getting there nice and deep, black boy. It's a lot of manual labor, Ben. I don't know if I'm signed up for this. Now the eyelets are still gonna be like the holes. I'm not gonna be able to get in there too good with this. Plus that would take some work and dedication and taking this seriously. So the wheels are cooked. Like, we're probably gonna need new wheels. I mean, this is damaged straight up. Don't really know how we could fix that other than just getting new shoes for it, which I think we're gonna do. And we have plenty of rubber inside there, pretty much our pick of the litter. We'll see what Mike lets us do with the new shop stinker right here. We're gonna call her Stinky because it stinks. See, Ben, this is what I'm talking about right here. We have all these spare parts, new front valance for underneath. This one could definitely use a refresh on that. I got like the ammo belt trim, new mirrors. Come on, that is gonna, I know this is passenger side, but that's gonna be night and day right there. New headlights, new turn signals. We even have new reflectors here for the front grille because this ones are busted up, oxidized, look terrible. So I think that's gonna look sweet, plus some new wheels and tires. And you know what? Maybe even either a wrap or a paint job. You guys let us know. This thing's gonna be beautiful. I have faith. So that obviously is not gonna be like our primary shop truck. We have some things in the works here. We'll see if it works out to get a new shop truck because we desperately need it. Now this is not a shop truck. This is Yamaha R7. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're doing a Denali Ultimate giveaway. Best of the best, most luxurious machine on the planet. It's fantastic. With the massaging seats and Chevy Super Cruise, GM Super Cruise, we're throwing this in. For a very limited time, this is running with our Denali giveaway. You can get this or $10,000 in cash. Yamaha R7 looks pretty sick. This is definitely me riding in the current B-roll. This is definitely me, right, Ben? I'm definitely capable of doing that.
Yeah.
So yeah, Bruce Wayne, anytime I see something like this, I just think of Batman The Dark Knight where he's like, right, I know it wasn't a Yamaha R7, but it just is slick. You gotta have this in the lineup if you have a vehicle collection, and what better way to win it right now at 717supply.com. We're running a big entry multiplier as well, so if you guys want in on this, hit it up in the description. Ben, that's all I got, 717.supply on Instagram. Give us a follow. Check out our last video too. I did a travel vlog down to Florida. It was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for the support. Take care.